I need to use English, I think, yeah, for about 10 minutes or so, yeah. So for our final test preparation, yeah, we want to talk about listening comprehension, yeah, this section. But before that, I want you to fill in the attendance on your LMS. Yeah, have you done to fill in your attendance? Yes, okay, good. And before we turn to listening question, I have a question for you. Yeah, so please open your phone, yeah, and go to the menti.com, yeah, to answer this question. Yeah, menti.com, and you can scan this barcode or you can enter the number, yeah, 246 and so on, yeah. The question is, in one word, yeah, describe your feelings to listening to home test, yeah. Do you like it or do you hate it or do you think that that's difficult task for you, yeah, or anything, or you kind of like love listening to home test, yeah, you really love because you get a higher score of listening, yeah, whatever, yeah. So please, in one word only, yeah. I give you maybe only 1 minute, yeah. So 1 minute. Calm down, yeah. Easy. Okay, good. Wow. Easy. Anything else? Open up. Okay. Hard, okay. Easy and hard is kind of like two opposite things, yeah. Okay, 10 seconds more. Okay, time's up, yeah. So, as you can see here, anyone who answer wow, yeah, I don't know what does it mean, yeah. Well, for positive context or negative context, yeah. Easy is positive, yeah. So you think that listening TOEFL is so easy, yeah, or easy for you, yeah, that's good. But the positive mindset is needed, yeah, for the test. And busy, what is busy in bahasa Indonesia? Busy means pusing, yeah, okay. Memusingkan, yeah. Yeah, I agree, yeah. So means kind of like average, yeah. Not too hard, not too easy, yeah. Okay, good. What is it? As, yeah, or maybe no comment, yeah, like that. Okay. Hard, yeah. You also said that listening TOEFL test is hard. I also agree with you. Yeah. Hard if we do not really know the strategy for answering the question. Yeah. Very good. Should do. Singing a song. Keep it up. Yeah. Like you give motivation to yourself. Yeah. To keep it up. Yeah. Until the final test. Yeah. Next week. You can do it. Okay, good. You can do it. And you can see like the biggest word in this screen is hard, yeah. So maybe some of you, the percentage more than 1% maybe, yeah, think that listening test is hard, yeah. I agree with you. It is hard if we do not really know the strategy, yeah. So that's why we want to see the strategy of listening test, yeah. I love you. Okay, I love you too, yeah. So let's break to the strategy of listening test. Before we have the practice session, so let's have a look the strategy. Yeah, I remember that you have discussed the strategy beforehand. Yeah, so let's recap the strategy for listening test. As you know, the TOEFL test have in three parts. Yeah, part A, part B, and part C. Yeah, in part A, we will have 50 questions and maybe the 10 questions will spread on part B and part C. Yeah, part A is most is easier, yeah, than part B and part C because the conversation is short, yeah. The conversation is short and it's kind of like daily conversation. We can still following the listening, but for part B and part C, yeah, the conversation getting longer, yeah, and again the topic not daily conversation, not daily topic, but mostly academic topic or discussion related to some certain topics, yeah. But for now, let's just have a look for part A, yeah. If you still remember your notes, yeah, we have a couple of strategy for part A listening test. Yeah. First one is restatements, yeah, and so on, yeah. Negative, suggestion, passive, conclusion number two, and where and expression of agreement. Yeah. Restatement when the audio or the conversation, yeah, restate some words on the question, yeah. And negatives, yeah. The audio talk about negative things like would not, yeah, or would not, does not, and so on, yeah. Suggestion or giving saran, yeah, suggestion. Passive voice, yeah, passive and active sentence. If you have the audio passive sentence, so the answer will be active and vice versa, yeah. Question about who blah 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 and where blah blah blah, yeah, and agreement, yeah. I do agree, I will say, and then I agree with you, yeah, and so on, yeah. Okay. Example, this statement, yeah. So if you have the audio like this conversation, yeah. Anyone who want to read the conversation, this one, Steve, blah blah blah. Review, review, yeah.
Alright. Example on the recording you gave woman Steve is something people to pretty good. Man. Oh, I'm pretty good what does the man mean?
What does the man mean? Yeah, so that's the unique question of the call contact. Yeah, what does the man mean? The man is the second narrator or the second speaker. Yeah. Oh, I'm feeling a little sick today. Yeah. So what does the man mean? A little sick, so a bit ill. Yeah. So this statement. Yeah. On the audio, we hear a little sick. That's having a similar meaning with a bit ill. Yeah. So this statement. Yeah. Negatives. Yeah. About negatives context. Yeah. Or negative sentence. Yeah. Who's gonna read the example? Maybe you? No? Who's gonna voluntarily read the example? You? Yeah. What's your name? Yeah. What does the man mean again? Yeah. Did you get a lot of work done? Yeah. At library today, I couldn't. So that's negative, yeah. I couldn't. So saya tidak, gitu ya. Saya tidak mengerjakan banyak hal di perpustakaan hari ini, ya. I couldn't. It wasn't. Itu tidak, ya. Atau tadi tidak. Very quiet there, ya. Di sana tidak cukup quiet, sepi, ya, senyap, gitu ya. Di sana rame, gitu ya. What does the man mean? Artinya adalah the library was noisy. Perpustakaannya berisik, ya. So that's antonym atau ya antonym, ya. The antonym of quiet, ya. So noise, ya. So that's negative, ya. If you hear the negative things on the audio, so the answer will be the positive way or the antonym of that negative things. Suggestion again, suggest, ya. Yeah. Which one next? Terakhir, the last one is expression of agreement. Yeah, do you agree or not agree? Yeah. So like this, me too. Yeah, me too. Ada sering pakainya. Me too. I agree with you. I think so. Gitu ya. I do think so dan seterusnya. What does the woman mean? So she has the same opinion. Yeah. So opsi jawabannya, the answer option is almost has this kind of structure, ya. Blah 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 has the same opinion with blah blah blah. Yeah. So that's giving us the hint of agreement. Yeah. But you need to see the given expression ya, apalagi apa aja waktu itu jangan lupa me too, and then I do think so, I will say, ya, I will say, I agree with you, ya, and so on. So let's have a real audio, ya, and please answer the question.
Number 1.
The apple pie sure looks good.
Let's have some of it. What does the man suggest?
What is the message? How do you think? Okay, let's play it once more.
And then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
The apple pie sure looks good.
Let's have some of it. What does the man suggest?
The apple pie looks good, yeah? Let's have some of it, yeah? So what does the man mean? A?
See.
C? Okay. The apple pie looks good, ya? Apple pie-nya terlihat enak. Itu perempuan. Laki-lakinya bilang, ya, let's have some of it, ya. Ayo kita buat lagi, gitu. Atau ayo kita makan, gitu. Ayo kita makan, kan kalau Anda di toko kue gitu ya, kemudian Anda enak ya kayaknya ini, gitu. Beli yuk kan gitu ya. Beli yuk, makan yuk kan gitu ya. Enggak, ayo ke dapur, pulang yuk ke dapur bikin kan gitu ya. Let's have some of it. Ya, so what does the man mean?
See.
See, ya, having some dessert, ya. Oke, having some dessert. Di situ nggak ngomongin pie lagi, tapi secara general pie itu adalah makanan pencuci. Ya. Number 2.
Number 2. How much time is left on the test?
You have about 30 minutes.
What does the woman mean?
You have about 30 minutes, ya. What does the woman means? Lagi ya, satu kali.
Number 2. How much time is left on the test?
You have about 30 minutes.
What does the woman mean?
How much time? Ya, that's the exam left, gitu ya, kalau nggak salah. Kemudian you have about 30 minutes, 30, ya. So what does the man or woman? The woman means be, ya. What about our email ya, masih ada setengah jam. Kalau ini 30 question, masih ada 30 persoalan, ya. Kita tadi jawabnya 30 ya. Satu lagi.
Number 3.
I think we should pay the bills tonight.
So do I.
What does the woman mean?
So do I.
I think we should pay the bills tonight.
So do I.
What does the woman mean?
I think we should pay the bill tonight. Aku rasa kita harus bayar billnya malam ini, ya. Terus bilang, terus yang perempuan bilang apa? So do I. Itu adalah ekspresi menerima ya. Kayak me too, ya. Jadi apa? She agrees with the man, ya. Atau seperti tadi, share opinions and so on, ya. Okay, I think that's all for practice, yeah. But you still have number 4 till 10, yeah, for you to have a practice by your own self, yeah, at home. I think I wanna end this session, yeah. But you want to continue with the reading and also the writing, the structure, yeah, after this. So thank you for the attendance and for your participation, yeah, on the Bilamid. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih Bu, doakan kami sukses. Kami sayang Ibu.